Do you find studying for chemistry difficult? Perhaps the thought of atoms, molecules and chemical reactions sends your mind into a whirl. Well, fear not. Chemistry, like any other subject, becomes manageable when broken down into simple, digestible steps. First and foremost, understand that chemistry is not a subject to be crammed. It requires consistent effort and regular practice. So make it a habit to review your notes daily. This will keep the information fresh in your mind and help you grasp concepts more effectively. Secondly, don't just memorize, strive to understand. Chemistry is a science of principles and concepts. When you understand the underlying principles, you can solve any problem, no matter how complex. Use diagrams and models to visualize atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions. This will make abstract concepts tangible and easier to understand. Thirdly, practice makes perfect. Chemistry is a subject where you learn by doing. So, solve as many problems as you can. Start with simple problems to grasp the concept and gradually move on to complex ones. This will boost your confidence and improve your problem-solving skills. Fourthly, don't shy away from seeking help. If you're stuck on a concept or problem, ask for help. Your teachers, classmates, and online resources can be great sources of help. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. It's a part of the learning process. Lastly, take care of your health. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So eat well, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. This will keep your mind sharp and improve your concentration. To summarize, studying for chemistry requires consistent effort, understanding of principles, regular practice, seeking help when needed, and taking care of your health. Remember, chemistry is not as daunting as it seems. It's a fascinating subject that unravels the mysteries of the universe. So approach it with curiosity and an open mind. You'll find that it's not only manageable but also enjoyable.